Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing good today and staying safe out there. Today I was just struggling to do some nail art. I didn't really want to do anything with all that's going on in the world. I mean, this is 2020, y'all see the news, you know what's going on. It just really breaks my heart that it's still going on in 2020. The deaths from every sort of source, it really affects me. So I decided, you know what? Just go ahead and paint your nails a neutral color, kind of, and then just use something that your friends gave you, something that's bright. Maybe that'll cheer me up. So what I have on so far is 2 layers of Yaoji. This is the Skin Nude colors. And this is number 1 in their color collection. And then I have on 1 layer of GA&EN nail foil glue gel. And for those of you with a HEMA allergy, this does have HEMA in it, HEMA, so take that into mind. You only want a thin layer on your nail plate and cure it for 30 seconds. And that's what I've done so far. This stuff is so sticky that once you do your nails, don't do like me and just chase packages around. You're going to get it stuck to your fingernails. I just got a little bit stuck. Hopefully it won't show up. I was given this by one of my friends. It's from GirlyNail66. It's from charliesnailart.co.uk. It's nail foils. I figured this bright, cheery pattern is something that we need right now in the world today. Something bright, colorful. And I have some hearts in the color of lilac. I figured purple heart kind of represent, you know, how my heart's feeling right now. I don't know how they'll go together that great, but just gonna play around and see. And I figured I'd get out some foils from SheModern.com. These are water decals that are foils. You just use a little water and take them off. I put them here, figuring between the 3 of those and what I already have on, I should be able to come up with something cheerful. I've got so much stuff stuck to my fingers now. I've been chasing foils around. See, this one I want to do. I want to get some yellow on here. It's a bright, cheery color, yellow. So far I'm finding this is my favorite foil glue gel. And as I stated before that I saw a live video on Facebook with who we know as the Nail Junkie. And GirlyNail66 showed me that video. I got on there afterwards and it really worked. So I purchased it off of Amazon. And I'll have the link below. I'm still just so scared of these foils because they never used to work for me. I'd struggle. I love the ones with the clear backs, so you can really see as you're lifting. Oops. I may have missed putting that on. No, there's actually no pattern right there, just a little bit. I thought maybe I missed putting it on. Put a little bit of yellow on there too, so it don't look like it ended. Yeah, I might have missed putting it on right there. Nothing that I can't do another coat and cure it. This one I want to do a little something different. So this one I'm going to do a different color. Get some of that hollow in there, which has every color of the rainbow in it. But wow, the improvement in just a year or two of these transfer foils. I like that one. I seem to be skipping my tips of my fingers, so I'm gonna have to go back and add a little bit more. I want to do like a half design here. I want to fix these two. So let me just add a little bit more. Seeing that I picked up stuff, I know I touched packages with it. Maybe I'll just give this one another coat, just because I touched things with it. And I can see a little glitter sitting on here. This is a very, very thin gel. So be very cautious of flooding your skin with it. I'm gonna do something with this, different with this nail and with this nail. This one I'm pretty sure I didn't get it. I'm gonna take a risk with the other two. So let me give these a cure again. So I just want a little bit more of the yellow near the tip. I'm not used to having such long fingernails. I forget they do bend if you press on them. Keep that in mind if you have long nails. And this one seems to be missing something, but I don't know what. So we'll just grab some of the leaf. Hopefully we don't make it look too square looking. Yep. Just trying to grab onto my other, see it's already grabbing on my other hand. So I probably should have did one hand at a time. Note for next time. I'm wanting to do like a half of a nail on these two. This one I just want to get some purple on here first. Just little bitty. I get the purple right on the free edge. And I want to do a half of a nail. But which color do I want on this half? So we'll just cut it off right where we want it. Pattern looks about what I would want. Oh, I was only gonna do half. Ah! No going back once you touch down with this. Use your fingernail to push it down. Okay, back to my half nail idea. I guess I'll have to pull out so much SheModern. I figured I was gonna do two nails. So half a nail. So we're gonna do only half of a nail, half of a nail. There we go. And you're pressing against any nail that's hanging over. Press your finger on the other side. They haven't had such long nails forever. I don't know if I've ever had such long nails. I don't remember to do that. You don't want to be pressing against your, and then press both sides. And then, it's a little tricky since I'm using a peel off base coat as well. I don't want to peel that off. And anywhere there's color, you're not touching gel. So that's my half design. Maybe I'll get it right on my other hand, huh? Yeah, I'll save those for my right hand. Huh. So I only got one hand to finish up. Oops. Close the gel. I'm not using that anymore. So now I don't have a need to use, well now I used it so big, this one might not even. So usually I just grab some stuff. My right hand will probably look different than my left, which is fine. I won't need this whole strip. So I'm just gonna get it partway wet. I'll probably use it on my right hand. Let's see. Yeah, I'd recommend only putting the glue gel on one hand at a time. You know what, I do need to wet this all the way because I didn't cut it. It's just water. You can do it right on your little fingernails if you wanted to. Just take this off, take a little makeup sponge, and just get the water off. And once you put it on, it's not coming off on this. And look, it'll pick up the whole thing, but I'm concentrating on the half that I'm going to use. Now since it's on a clear stamper, I can kind of start the aiming process. This isn't the SheModern, so I cannot reposition at all. I'm going to cut off the end just shy of my nail, or as close as I can. Set that back down. And I usually use a stiffer brush, but I can't find it. 99% alcohol. I have to be careful because it will dissolve more. It will dissolve it off a little too much. All the excess off. That's why I usually use a stiff brush because I can control it really, really easily. But it takes off all the extra foil without having to use acetone on your skin. I still want to use some of my hearts. These were given to me from my friend from Karina's Nail Designs. She apparently, they're called hearts in the color lilac. She got them at nail.co.uk, I believe, because that's the package they were in. You'll have to go see her if you want to know for sure. That's where she got them from. So I'm just gonna put a little top coat on and make sure that I cover the edge of that design. Especially since I'm using peel off base coat, I may have pulled it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna plop a little purple heart in here. Okay, I'm gonna finish these up. Maybe put a couple more hearts on and give them a cure. And I will put pictures up at the end of the video and how they're doing. So thank you everyone for being here with me today. I really, really appreciate every minute you watch. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.